Why do we get sick? It is because we don't eat an apple a day? I understand that right nutrition is important. Still, people who eat fairly healthy get sick. And why do chronic health conditions persist if our amazing bodies have the capability to replace most of its atoms and cells with new ones in about a year? Lawrence Brady, PhD, a physicist at the National Human Genome Research Institute, says the problem isn't that the atoms of our bodies are getting old, but the structure that they make are growing defective. There seems to be a memory of this defective health information stored somewhere in our bodies. Ladies and gentlemen, today I will talk about what, in my opinion, is the root cause of most illnesses and health conditions. Where in our bodies is this defective health information memory stored? How to heal this defective information? And how to prevent illnesses and diseases originated by those root causes. What does your body feel when you get angry, scared, have stress, fear, feel guilty, useless, unappreciated? Our bodies feel weak, pain, out of balance, and sickness manifests. We know that when we get angry, it feels like our body has been poisoned and uncomfortable. We don't feel like ourselves. We feel weak and even guilty. This takes a lot of energy from us and eventually leads to health conditions. On the other hand, when we feel love, gratitude, compassion, forgiveness, acceptance, surrender, useful to our family, neighborhood, country, or humankind, we feel light, energetic, full of vitality. We know the feeling of release when we forgive, have compassion and acceptance. A huge weight is lifted from our shoulders, so we feel light and with more energies. We know without a shadow of a doubt the energetic feeling of love, don't we? Do I need to remind you the feelings you had when you were in love for the first time, or the second time, or even the third time? You felt so light and full of energy that instead of opening the gate, you just jumped over the fence. Health was never better. All these positive emotions produce enormous amount of healing energies in our bodies and minds. And all these emotions and feelings are stored in our bodies. The invigorating energy produced by good positive feelings, as well as the debilitating energy derived from chronic negative emotions, are recorded as memories in our bodies. The question is, where in our bodies is this health information stored? Let me give you this analogy. The information in our computers is stored in a hard drive, which is a magnetic spinning disk. An electromagnetic head places every bit of information in a specific sector of the drive, so that we can retrieve it later on and use it. What happens when the computer crashes? It is because the hard drive has some defective information. Either it got a virus or our computer fell down, mechanically damaging the drive. What do we do then? We take it to the Geek Squad so they can fix it, right? This is exactly what happened in our bodies. Our bodies are surrounded by an energy field that follows us 24/7. When we are subject to negative emotions, a defective energetic information is created and stored on this energetic field of our body. Our energy field gets distorted and weakens. When our body retrieves this defective information, guess what? Defective information produces defective performance, just like in our computers. Then illnesses and disease manifest in our bodies. How do we heal health challenges caused by emotional trauma or negative chronic feelings and emotions. This is when energy medicine or energy healing comes into place. Energy healing is the process by which energy blockages are removed, defective or missing energetic information is restored, and our energy field is recharged. Energy healing can be applied in person, hands-on, or remotely, distance healing. This energy healing is intelligent. It goes where you need it, where the blockages are, where the weakness is, promoting the activation of our immune system and self-healing. A Greek philosopher said, to heal the visible, we have to heal the invisible first. In modern terms, we need to heal our energy field first, so that our physical body can be healed. How do we prevent illnesses whose causes are rooted in chronic negative emotions? We need to keep our energy field healthy and strong. And how do we do that? Bringing positive, healthy energy into our bodies, lots of love and good company, eating living foods free of pesticides, exercising, walking, being outdoors in nature, receiving sunlight, and my favorite one, meditation, that keep us in conscious contact with the source of healing energies. Remember, chronic negative emotions and feelings create an unhealthy memory that is stored in our energy bodies. Prevent health issues by keeping your energy strong and healthy, bringing positive emotions, eating good food, and having good company. Laugh a lot and often. Meditate regularly, and use energy healing if you need extra help.